And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting you through unboxing and step-by-step assembly of my vast platinum Powermax carpet washer. Yeah, remember, it's good to wash your carpet yourself. Don't just leave it like that. It's good to wash it once in a while. So that's why I got this. And when you receive the package, you check very well and make sure it's not being damaged anywhere, it's not open before you start opening. And when you unbox, make sure you unbox through with care, so that if there's any problem or anything with it, you'll be able to return the package. So this your unboxing, I've already unboxed mine, and these are all what I found inside. I brought them out already to save your time. Inside the box, you have these 3 solutions: the set of stubborn stain remover and a pre-treatment. There's also a nozzle that easily fits into the solutions. Also, there are other accessories. These are the accessories that comes with it. I'll be telling you later. I'll put you through later how to use that. Then you just take your handbook and check what's inside the box with your handbook and make sure it's very complete. Then inside also there's a blade also, which is this. That's the blade, the handle. Then the water tank, which is this, that comes with it. Also inside the box there's a bag, and inside the bag there's the trigger, which is this, and the hose that comes inside the bag. So these are all my accessories. Thank goodness this comes as a unit. The base, it comes already coupled as a unit. You find this inside the bag. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Let's start assembly. So you take the handle, put it here and down. Make sure it gets to the bottom. At the back is a handle lock that you turn clockwise to fasten it together. You turn it clockwise and hear a click sound. To open it also, you turn it anti-clockwise. That's 180 degrees, and that is that. Also, after that, you take your water tank. Just put it in and hear the click sound. That's for your water and your solution. This is for the solution, and this is where you put your water. Then there's a connection port here for the solution and the hose. When you're washing your carpet, you don't need the hose. You only need your trigger. Your trigger that you use for your top stains, to spray your top stains like wine or any top stain on your carpet. So this is where you pull this. When you're watching the carpet, you will need this as you are watching your spraying your stubborn stain on your carpet. But if you want to wash other equipment, these are other accessories. These are for your fabrics, your car fabrics, your sofa, your cotton, your corners. So if you are washing your fabrics, that's when you will need this, the hose. You put it in there. Yeah, that's it. And just fasten this. If you are going to be washing anything like this, there's a brush that goes around to wash even your curtain. Then this also to wash your corners too, your staircase where the brush cannot get to. You can use this to wash it. So if you are washing your carpet, you will not need the hose. You only just need this, as I said earlier on. Then another thing is the bottom. You have to just turn your carpet washer down and you check the blade very well. The smooth ends goes up while the rough end goes below. I'm doing this now because with the handbook there's really no step-by-step assembly of these things. So that's why I took my time to do it. So You will not miss anything. You will not be confused. You will not be confused when you receive your bus. So this is it. The smooth end goes up and the rough end below. Just hear the click sound, and that's it. So that's it for your platinum Powermax carpet washer. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed, and watch out for my next video. So we'll do the washing of the carpets together. Thank you. Bye.